I'm back with no video. I'm not really back with no video. It's still the same day where I showed you that Scooby-Doo band thing. But then what I'm hiding. And you know what it is? Hoover. Okay, I got it a few weeks ago. It works because I put new batteries. I don't know how much it is. Not that much. But real air comes out here than these three don't do anything. This does. This is a bit scratched. I never used it. I had it a few weeks ago. I put new batteries in here. It says Klein, not Clen. It has one wheel at the front, then two wheels at the back. They are actually very smart ones. I don't know what these do. They just do nothing. That's what I think. Real air is coming out here. Look at the lights. Look at the lights. It's very good.
What about the hose?
We're going to bring it now. Do what I'm bringing. This part. I'm going to show you the floor head first. This does nothing. When you want to use it on the carpets, you use this side, and you want to use it on hard floor, you use it like this. But it doesn't actually work on anything. It doesn't work. This is a very rubbish hole. They must make it bigger. There's actually four wheels on this part of the knot, the head. This means you can it can go under if you want to do this, but it doesn't work. This clip doesn't work. There's one more wheel. I thought there was four. I didn't see it. This is a 2. I call it a 1. It's just made out of plastic. It looks like an alien. It looks like there's an alien. This actually opens. Just hold this up, then you find the bag. I use it sometimes. I used a 3 weeks ago, I think. Yeah. What the air goes in here and through there too. Ooh, I don't see the motors. I see the motors though. Then this also lights up. These two also lights up but doesn't work. And these doesn't work too. It's actually little. It's mini hexagons here. Mini hexagons. And I never use it so long. There's a lot of dirt on it. It is. Okay, let's get on with the wand again. This wand actually works. There's a hole. And here. I'm going to show you the grip handle. I can't take it off. I don't want to take it off. This grip handle is actually electric, on the real thing. I'm going to set this. I'm going to buy the same thing but bigger. This hole here means it still works. There's also a hole like in here. Yeah.
Where shall I put all this stuff? Back in the car. You don't need it now.
Okay, there's actually like a silver thing, the same like type of silver pin. Like we got Miele like logo there. You know why this part is short? Because this clips on. Well, again, this doesn't work. It doesn't work. This clip. Rubbish. But you can do this. You can spin it. Ooh, I just hit the vacuum. Now, I think that's it. Like, there's like a lot of buttons on here. Okay. There's actually like a bar somewhere. There's actually like red bars here. Red bars. Can you see right in there? Put your phone in there.
It's called a vent.
It's called like a suction vent. Cause can you see the motor in there, guys?
Just.
Yeah, you can see it. There's also like a mini one here. You can't see it. In the real thing, there's actually like filter here and up there. I don't know. It wasn't working. And you know why we need flexible hoses? Because it's to pull it. Because like I love like vacuums which you can pull it. This actually spins. If I clip it on here, and hit the right angle, you can actually. It actually like squibbles, like it turns around. Then clip this on. Then put this on here, and you get this. Like there's actually something else with the nozzle, like the head of the vacuum. This is not the head. This is the main head. Like, make sure you get this like tiny part of the bracket and this big part of the bracket. Make sure the big part of the bracket is like on this big hole here. And we need like a line here. And there's a gap there. The tiny bracket is supposed to go there. And what do you do with it? Put it in, just put it in. It just falls off. But if you push it in, it just stays on. But, Mom, you need to do like some walking if it moves very good. We need to do some walking, like, to test if it still works. You need to stand up, Mom. It works very well. But sounds squeaky. Let's go in here. Follow me, Mom. It still works. Seriously. Okay, why did I make a big pile here? I need to be careful with my words.